Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, no be every time bank road and that Onimo to Abia Tower Road. Today make a carry on upon go show na different place for Umuahia. So come with me guys as I journey to Ibeku in Umuahia, Abia State. Let me show you guys how the other part of Umuahia looks like. So if you're from Ibeku and you're watching this video, you can give me a thumbs up and tell me where in Ibeku you're from, or if I passed your hood, you can also tell me in the comment section. But as you can see, this is Bank Road, and you can see how the road is shining because I think they added coaches. They fixed this road, and of course that it was expanded. So as you can see, it's shining because they still worked on the road of recent. So from Bank Road, we'll be connecting to Umudike Junction from where Viam, the next place you are seeing, is Ibeku. The places in Ibeku that I may be passing, I think, is around that Ajata, Ibeku. The area around the area where the Abia International Stadium is going to be situated, where they are going to construct the massive and it is going to be one of the biggest stadium in Nigeria, or should we say in Southeast. So I made a video about what is actually going on in the stadium, but it's going to be in my next video. But this video actually is going to take you to the area where the stadium is situated, where it's going to be situated, or should we say where it's situated? No, they never build them now, so now where they won't start to they construct them. So as you can see, His Excellency the Executive Governor of Abia State is really doing a good job. If you know Bank Road before, I wouldn't go in my Bank Road there before to Anade. Very small, no space. But look at what it looks like now. The type of massive Christmas light where they put for that roundabout. No worry, I will post them for my channel, Mona see. So as you can see, when I did this video, work was still going on here. I did this video some days ago. I believe they are even done or almost done. So if it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making a chance to watch my videos. So stay tuned though. I don't just want to show you the areas that looks a little bit nice. I want to take you to Ibeku, a village inside Umuahia. Now that village, I believe, is going to be turned to a mega city when the construction of the Abia International Airport is over. So see the handrail where they put now, you understand, for the walkway. So if you are walking there and you miss a step and you want to fall, you did the rail. Some people are even relaxing there. So you see the paintings, the road markings, the road signs, like everything is in order. You see, when His Excellency was campaigning, he said Umuahia, he's going to turn Umuahia from a village, to a befitting state capital. And on Mezu, So we have passed to Mudike Junction actually, and we are heading towards Azikiwe. And we're also hoping that the paintings in this area, maybe they have even done it, and I don't know, because every day new things they go on for Abia State. You don't see how Christmas has been. Everybody they hustle, shops, they open. Of course, in the Bonabanum boy, I Christmas in Mecheno shop. Even on 25th, some shops were actually open. Only on an Achuego, but that's the reason. So guys, I didn't take Azikiwe Junction, so I'm going to drive from Bende Road, because from Bende Road you can connect to Ajata Ibeku. If you just get to Bende Road, continue driving down airport na Ajata Ibeku. So this tower here, because our seniors amoro, long time. That tower not there. Or what clock that year. Because I remember when I was small, there is this tower that they used to call what clocks. I don't know if it's that short one. That is the what clock. That was the what clock or the main Abia tower. So this is Bend the Road in Umuahia. I know some of you will be like, waiting they go on for bend the road. No, bend the road. No, I no one show na bend the road. I actually they go inside the Ibeko, Ajata Ibeko, all those areas. I want to show you guys where that's the stadium, where they're going to construct the stadium. You understand? Somebody was saying in one of my videos that this road needs to be upgraded, at least needs to be expanded. You understand? Since it's a road leading to the stadium, where the stadium is going to be constructed. And I agree with the person, because when that stadium construction is over, you know, a lot of people, it's going to bring a lot of people. Abia here. Anytime I go to Uyo, I always go to their stadium. You find a lot of people. So yes, the road needs to be expanded, because it will look somehow. Say that they host one international match like that, then people from another country and I buy the stadium. We refuse that now. Also, the one some more. This one is a stadium the villagers used to play their league. You understand? Amadema have school and not there. So guys, if you watch this video down to the end, you will see, you know, the part of Ibeko I want to show you. Kindly watch the video down to the end if you can. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you know they are no WhatsApp, that trash, whether na trash bin, I been a trash this thing where they take the pour dustbin. Now in the there. This road is very, very narrow. Very, very narrow. And beside the road, then which are all these what is it? Being gully erosion again. Yeah, you know, places where it's very, very deep, valley or something like that. It's very, very deep. So if you are driving along this road, you have to be very, 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 very careful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video.